DNA. You hear about it all the time, but what actually is it? In this video, we'll break DNA down into simple pieces so the double helix finally makes sense. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. That sounds scary, so forget the name for a moment. Think of DNA as a long code that tells your cells how to build and run your body. If you could zoom inside one of your cells, you'd see DNA packed into structures called chromosomes. Unroll a chromosome, and you'd find one huge DNA molecule, twisted into a famous shape called the double helix. A double helix looks like a twisted ladder. The sides of the ladder are made of repeating pieces of sugar and phosphate. You can think of these as the rails that hold everything together. The rungs of the ladder are made of base pairs. These are matching chemical letters. There are only 4 letters in DNA: A, T, C, and G. A stands for adenine, T for thymine, C for cytosine, and G for guanine. You don't need to memorize the full names. What matters is how they pair up. A always pairs with T. C always pairs with G. No other combinations. Each step of the ladder is a pair of these letters, held together in the middle. One letter on one side, its partner on the other side. A single unit of letter plus sugar plus phosphate is called a nucleotide. DNA is just a long chain of these nucleotides, arranged in a very specific order. That order is the code. Just like the order of letters in a sentence changes the meaning, the order of A, T, C, and G changes the instructions. Your cells read this code to build proteins, which do almost all the work in your body. Different sequences of DNA lead to different proteins, and that helps make each person unique. So, DNA is a twisted ladder made of sugar phosphate sides and base pair rungs, using only 4 letters, paired A with T and C with G. The sequence of these letters stores your genetic information. If you'd like to create clear explainer videos like this one, you can. Go to vidfactory.ai and make your own animated videos quickly and effortlessly, even if you've never edited a video before.